Good morning, students. I hope you all must have completed question number 2 and 3, which was based on bar graph. So today we will start with question number 4. The question is, the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to 1 millimeter and the obtained data is represented in the following table. So table is given, length in millimeter of the leaves and number of leaves. Question is, draw a histogram to represent the given data. So the first question is we have to draw a histogram. Now look at this table. What you will find that the first class interval is 118 to 126. Next is 127 to 135. Next is 136 to 144 and so on. So what do you find? That it is not a continuous class interval. So histogram is made only on continuous class interval. So first thing which we have to do now is to make this interval continuous. I have explained you earlier also how to make the class interval continuous. We have to see the upper limit of the first class interval and the lower limit of the second class interval and find the difference between the two. What is the difference? 127 minus 126, that is equal to 1. And now divide that 1 by 2, that you will get as 0.5. Now what we do, we add 0.5 to the upper class limit and we subtract 0.5 from the lower class limit. So what do we get? We will get the continuous class interval as follows. So you can see the class intervals, continuous class intervals which we have formed. We have subtracted 0.5 from the lower class limit and added 0.5 to the upper class limit in each class interval. So now we are getting it as continuous class interval. And the frequency or the number of leaves are given. So now we will draw a histogram. Now you will draw the histogram. We will first make the vertical axis and the horizontal axis. On the vertical axis we will write down the frequency or the number of leaves, and on the horizontal axis we will make the class intervals, which is as 117 to 126.5, 126.5 to 144.5 and so on. And here I have made a kink because the class interval is not starting from 0, it is starting from 117.5, and here I have taken as an interval of 2 units. So let us draw the histogram. So the first frequency which is given is 3, 117.5 to 126.5, it is 3. So let us draw 3. See, I am using pen here, but you have to use pencil, remember this. So here it is 3, then comes 5. Next is 5. So we will draw 5. It is a continuous class interval, so the rectangles will be attached to each other. Next is 9. Then 12, then again 5, four, and then 2. So this is how histogram is made. So students, you have to do question number 5 as a homework. So let us complete question number 4. There are the 2 parts also. Next question is there any other suitable graphical representation for the same data? Yes, it is frequency polygon. Number 3 is it correct to conclude that maximum number of leaves are 153 millimeter long? Why? We cannot say that the maximum number of leaves are 153 millimeter long. When you see the frequency, you will find that the maximum number of leaves are 12 and it lies between the length 145 to 153 millimeter. So we cannot say that exactly 153 millimeter. We will say that maximum number of leaves lies between the length of 145 to 153 millimeter. So question number 5 you have to do as a homework, and question number 6, 7, 8, 9 is based on frequency polygon, which is not there in your syllabus, and histograms are based on different length is also not there in your syllabus. So children, this chapter is also over because mean median mode is also deleted from your syllabus. So go through this chapter thoroughly and practice from your R.S. Agarwal book also. Thank you.